Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR's premier institution, Central Institute of Fisheries Education or CIFI, is strategically located in the pristine surroundings of lush green and clean campus at Versova in Mumbai. CIFI has been a pioneer institute to effectively implement some of the most unique eco-friendly green initiatives by optimum utilization of its resources, conservation activities and sustainable environment-friendly activities. This institute is managed by an extremely talented team of professionals, ecology experts and research scholars under the able guidance of its dynamic director and Vice-Chancellor, Dr. Gopal Krishna.
ICAR Central Institute of Fisheries Education is mandated for higher academic activities. We offer master's and doctoral program in 11 disciplines of fisheries science. Along with that, we are also taking up high-end and strategic research in fisheries science with the help of our centers. There are 5 across the country along with the headquarters. Being the Institute of Academic Eminence, we conduct research also, and this research is funded by nationally and international funding agencies like World Bank Project, which is National Agricultural Higher Education Project. And this project has been given to us to take up the work on inland saline soils. And these inland saline soils which are not productive, we want to convert them to the highly productive and remunerative areas. I, on behalf of CIFE and on my personal behalf, thank each one of the colleagues who is working in this team and giving their best to achieve such laurels. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.
ICAR, Central Institute of Fisheries Education, Mumbai campus has 98% indigenous species of plants and saplings. More than 30 species of plants indicate the biodiversity of plants in the campus. The organization is engaged in situ conservation and preservation of land races and indigenous breeds of aquatic animals. CIFI has effectively implemented in-campus waste management system where all the waste is segregated into different categories. Dry organic waste is collected and recycled on campus in waste composting pit. CIFI celebrates Swachhata or cleanliness drives to sensitize residents and distribute dustbins for kitchen waste segregation. As far as other waste management is concerned, biomedical waste is segregated as per color codes and handled by a certified agency. Utilization of fish waste to generate value-added products is also undertaken here. CIFI has innovative technology for utilization of wastewater, and it has pioneered an environment-friendly low-cost technology for water treatment. This organization is encouraging people through office order. No single-use plastic carry bags in the campus. All dry leaves generated as garden waste are shredded and applied as fertilizer and manure around newly planted saplings, nursery and tree plantation initiatives. This institute also has water harvesting structures, farm ponds and open wells to save and conserve water. This organization has taken great steps to save the energy by installing solar power operated streetlights and operational mobile fish cooler in its campus. We also use and implement latest digital technology by minimizing consumption of natural resources. This journey towards clean and green excellence is a constant pursuit. Our meticulous execution of sustainable green and clean environment looks very promising, and we have many more milestones to achieve. CIFI is leading from the forefront towards a glorious future. For more details, connect with us on www.cifi.edu.in.